Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Thursday, yes, it's still Thursday, December the 28th, 2023, 3 days to go till end of the year, and I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle, and one puzzle is left, the regular killer Sudoku. In the evening I will solve 4 puzzles. We have an additional, and 4 out of 7 I will solve those puzzles in the evening. But right now the killer Sudoku number 7694, and we have here 2 given numbers. The given number 1 in this triple box of 7, that means that those 2 boxes together should be a 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Here we have a given number 6 in this triple box of 20. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 14. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Alright, for a killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. Alright, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 2 big squares I can start. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column, we have here a complete column. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a column is always 45. We have the total sum of a row. We have here a row with 1 sharing box. Here I believe here also, yeah. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a row is always 45. Alright, let me start with this big square. 9, 18. 8 plus 10 is also 18. Double 18 will be 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. In a box of 12, the combination will be 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. We go to this big square. 3 plus 7 is 10. 16 plus 11 is 27. 27 plus 10 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. In the box of 11, the combination will be 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Alright, then this row has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, 9 plus 11 is 20. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 20 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 10, the combination will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Let me go to the last row. Triple 11. 33 plus 3 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Alright, and now let me see. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 1 combination. We have here 9, 8, 10, 9, 11, 11, 9. The box of 4, only 1 combination. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. The box of 17, only one combination here. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. 13, 10, 11, 7, 5, 40. The box of 17. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Only one combination for the box of 17. Box of 4, same for as before here. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. I cannot place the 1 here because we already have a 1 here in this big square. So the 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 11, 11, 10, 13, 11, 10. The box of 16. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. And we have a box of 3. Only one combination for the box of 3. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Alright. And now, let's see, in this big square, we have 2 boxes left, the box of 11 and the box of 7. One of the missing number here is the 5, yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 2. The 2 is already used here in the box of 3. So the 5 should be in the box of 11. Combination here, 6 and the 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. Okay, so we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 over there. In the box of 13, combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Alright, 7, 7, 7. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 7 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 7 should be here. In a box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. We have 9 and 2. Come on. 5. Yeah. Well. 2, 4, 5, and 1. Now we have here this triple box of 7, and these 2 boxes together should be a 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6, 5 plus 1, and 2 plus 4. Well, I cannot use the 5 and a 1 because otherwise we have a double 1 here in this triple box. Not allowed, one of the rules, so it should be 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those, 2 and a 4. Alright. No 9 here, no 9 there. Okay, 9 and 2. Let me think. Need a 1 here. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 2 plus 3 and 4 plus 1. Well, the 3 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 2 and the 3 here. So it should be 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have 1 in this row, middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 here. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. There are 3 combinations for the box of 7. 3 plus 4. Well, the 3 and a 4 is already used, so I cannot place the 3 and a 4 here. 2 and a 5. Could be 2 and a 5. And 6 and a 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 6 and the 1. So it should be 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. Let me think. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Oh, I need a 3 here. 3 and 6, 3 and 5. Alright. 3, 3, 3. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left with the 2 should be there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 9 and 8, we already have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there, so this box should be a 9 and that box should be an 8. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. In a box of 11, the combination will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, 9 and a 7. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Need an 8 and a 5, 8 and a 2. Okay, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. If I place the 8 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. The 2 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 8 there. 8 should be here in the box of 13. Then the combination will be 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers now. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've eliminated here the 3. Correction, I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 should be there then. In the box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Alright. One need a 2. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 there because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 2 there. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Suppose I place the 2 here in the box of 10, then the combination will be 2 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. So 1 digit left in the middle column for the bar. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Double check. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23, plus 2 is 25. Yeah, correct. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes in the box of 11, combination 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 8 and this 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. In a box of 11, the combination will be 7 plus 4. In a box of 9, the combination here will be 8 plus 1. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here, 1 there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes together should be 14, so 5 plus 9 is equal to 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. So 1 digit left now in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 9 and 8, we have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. 6 plus 5 is 11, and 11 plus 7 is equal to 18, correct? So we have 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, no, only 3 places left for the set. 1 should be here, here, or there. You see here 1 in the third row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and the 7 are missing. 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing away. In the box of 11, the combination will be 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 4 and the 7 are missing. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Almost finished. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4, goes in the box of 10, combination 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 in the 5, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes, alright. I'm well pleased with the time, yeah. Because I've indicated this with 20 to 30 minutes, and I've solved this within 17 minutes, so I'm very pleased, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.